Menoni? Are we able to bring him in? He's on the phone. Yeah, okay. Good morning, Admiral Menoni. Sorry to keep you on hold. Are you there?
I am.
Yeah, we're just waiting for the governor to give her opening remarks for the first person to get vaccinated on Guam. And since we do have you on the phone, and I'm not sure if you're able to watch this or if you're near Facebook or whichever, but yeah, the first vaccination is going to occur at any moment. But I wanted to ask you, has the military, has Joint Region Marianas received any vaccines?
We have not. So a little bit of different system than what Gov Guam is using, which is fine. But we're working through all the processes and procedures and plans to be able to administer the vaccine to those who need it first. So maybe in the next couple of weeks.
Right. Yeah, I think I saw it on. I want to say it was either I was reading somewhere on the. I subscribe to the Department of Defense anytime they send out press releases and things like that. I don't think that I saw Guam on the first, I guess, phase of the distribution. But there are other military bases, right, that are getting the vaccine. I think.
Absolutely. So it's phased approach across DoD. I anticipate we'll see it here soon. So I don't think it's going to be a significant delay. But like Gov Guam, we're not going to see it all at once. We'll get a certain number of vaccines, and then we'll work to get the right people vaccinated, and we'll continue this process till we're done.
Mm-hmm. And, you know, in previous interviews, we spoke with you and just everything that's happening on the military base and the different HPCon, right?
Yes.
Are you guys still in B?
We are still in, we call it HPCon, Health Protection Condition Bravo with additional measures, or HPCon Bravo Plus, so a little bit more elevated than your standard HPCon.
Mm-hmm. And there's been changes, right, on base in terms of, like, access, I want to say, because I think the COVID case count there has been pretty low.
So, yeah, there have been. We've been able to work with places like the commissaries to expand slightly the amount of people we can have in the building at any one time. We've also expanded hours. I think you know that the Anderson Air Force Base Commissary and Exchange has opened up their access more in line with what Naval Base Guam has. So we're working through this, but what has not changed at all is the requirement for masks, distance, hygiene, doing the right thing to protect yourself and your neighbors.
Mm-hmm. And it's a really big day for everybody here on Guam. And as we hear about the first vaccination, it's going to be given to a local physician, like I said, any minute now. There's one thing you've talked about in the past was just to continue the fight, right? And so I guess any message, because the vaccine is being distributed, we shouldn't, let our guard down.
Yeah, thank you for saying that. That you are exactly 100% aligned with the way I'm thinking, and our Chief of Naval Operations is thinking. The governor said yesterday that it is a tool in this fight. And it absolutely is, but it is only one tool. It is going to take a while to get everybody protected and vaccinated across our country, certainly across our island, and then within DoD. So we have to wear the masks. We have to stay vigilant. We have to protect ourselves because one slip-up can bring down the mission readiness of a unit, a bomber unit, a ship, an aircraft carrier, a submarine. So, at some point we'll get back to whatever the new normal looks like. I don't know what that is. I have no crystal ball. Till then, we have to do the right thing for each other, and that's wear the masks, distance, practice good hygiene.
Mm-hmm. Well, I do apologize for cutting this interview short. We're going to go back to Ukadu High School because we don't want to miss anything that's happening there. So I guess just any final message to the people of Guam.
I think, we absolutely appreciate the support of the people of Guam. throughout my years here, and certainly across the last year, which has been tough on everybody. But we're not done yet. Continue to fight. Don't give up the ship. We'll get through this together. And then hopefully 2021 is a better year for all of us.
All right. Thank you, Admiral Menoni. The press conference is just getting started. So Merry Christmas to you.
Merry Christmas. Stay safe.
Recognize and thank the hardworking staff of the Department of Public Health and Social Services.